enjoy today's vlog.
Look easy, good surfing never grand price, but is it enough? We will await the results. Watch his drop to the bottom, looks a little bit straight. Correct sitting, look too straight, go on the way, kind of holding down on him, but he still manages to kick it off the top and another one on the inside. Will it be enough? Judge is looking down as I write down the scores. Await the scores for the
Today's really a busy day for me. Just came home and now I'm leaving to go back on the road, so I'm just here waiting on the taxi. Come. Just reached Spanish Town where the police taxi for load up, so I can't go about my business. So I'm after waiting for one more person and then I can go, so I'm just going where I will. But one thing about me, with 7-seaters accident, I don't like going on the back part, but nobody don't like going on the back part, so how they talk away, but me not going there. So if I'm at the front or the big one, I'm not going in the back. It burned me. It burned when the man comes somewhere at the back. Guys, my reach. Left it. How much job? Hi, Katie. Oh, babe, I carry my bag for me. What a good lad. What? What I had? My foot. Silky. Yeah, right. Yeah, come in. Hi. Katie.
Hi.
Silky, I'm back. Bobby.
Natural.
Yeah.
Natural.
Whenever I bring something, I'll bring something. Yeah? Have someone come back, do her. Nah, she's not doing nothing like that. Right now, we are about to feed the chicken. The chicken are eating their dinner, and the water pan is, and those over there, they are drinking water. Rest of them made belly full.